The what the hell?
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Okay, so now I'm just going to be pouring the lye solution in straight down the stick blender as much as I possibly can. And the reason we do that is to try to avoid as much bubbles in the soap as possible. Now, the bubbles in the soap is not going to hurt the soap, but it does kind of affect the design. If you are doing a design in your soap, you know, sometimes the bubbles does kind of get in the way, and it can make your soap look a little wonky, but it's not that big of a deal, you know. So let's blend that in. And you normally just want to burp it. Okay, I'm not going to blend it too much because I am working with a new, it's not that new. I actually used this fragrance oil before, but I've never used it just by itself. I normally add it, mix it with something else. So right now I'm just adding in the coconut milk. But yes, I don't want to blend it too much, because I do want to try kind of like a drop swirl, I guess you could say, or the teardrops design in this one. So I'm not going to blend too much, because I do have to separate it and add colors. And I have 4 colors that has to be added to it, so I don't want to get too blend crazy. Okay, so now I'm going to separate the batter just a little, and I'm going to add the fragrance oil in there individually. And I don't need a whole lot. Just want an equal amount of each color, because the main color is going to be this berry pink color that I chose. That should be enough. What the hell? So let's pour that in, and then I'm going to pour in the other colors. Okay, and I'm gonna pour in all of this. As much of it as I can get. All I need is just a little bit for my top. So I'm not going to save any of this, you guys. Well, I'm not going to save that much of it. I'm just going to save just a little bit for the top of the soap. And I think that should be enough for the top. Yeah. A little more. There we go. Okay guys, so this purple is still not the purple I'm going for, but it's a lot better than the other purple that was there before. But hopefully after the soap cures, the purple will come back, okay? Sometimes it does that. Like I said, I haven't used this fragrance oil by itself before, so I don't know exactly if that's what's causing the color changes. So anywho, I'm just going to pour that in as much as I can. Some green. That green is the bomb. The green is the star of the show. Oh, this one is super thick. This one looks greenish. Looks like a black green. Look at that.